Bill Gates, the visionary co-founder of Microsoft, has made a bold prediction. He believes artificial intelligence will fundamentally reshape our world within the next decade, bringing about changes that we can scarcely imagine today. Gates foresees AI taking over key roles currently held by humans, particularly in fields like healthcare and education, where precision and personalization are paramount. Imagine a future where AI doctors diagnose illnesses with unparalleled accuracy, leveraging vast amounts of data to identify conditions that might elude even the most experienced human practitioners. Picture AI tutors providing personalized education tailored to each student's needs, adapting lessons in real time to ensure optimal learning outcomes for every individual. This is the future Gates envisions, a future where AI augments human capabilities and transforms how we live, learn and heal, making our daily lives more efficient and effective. While this prediction may seem like science fiction, the rapid advancements in AI make it increasingly plausible. Researchers and developers are making strides every day, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. We are already witnessing AI's transformative power in various sectors, from manufacturing to customer service, where AI systems are enhancing productivity and efficiency. Self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and virtual assistants are just a glimpse of what's to come. These technologies are becoming more integrated into our daily lives, offering convenience and new capabilities. As AI continues to evolve at an exponential pace, it's natural to ponder the implications of this technological revolution. What will our world look like when AI is deeply embedded in every aspect of our lives? The prospect of AI replacing doctors and teachers raises profound questions. These professions are not just about knowledge, but also about empathy, understanding, and human connection. Will AI surpass human capabilities in these complex and deeply human professions? Can a machine truly replicate the nuanced understanding and emotional intelligence of a human being? How will our society adapt to such a fundamental shift in the workforce? As AI takes on more roles, we must consider the impact on employment and the skills that will be valued in the future. These questions demand careful consideration as we stand at the cusp of this AI-driven future. Policymakers, educators, and industry leaders must collaborate to navigate these changes responsibly. The potential benefits of AI in healthcare and education are undeniable. AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, providing insights that can lead to better patient outcomes and more effective teaching strategies. Imagine AI assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and more accurately, improving treatment outcomes, and potentially saving countless lives. AI could revolutionize how we approach medical care, making it more proactive and personalized. Envision AI personalizing education, identifying individual learning styles, and providing customized learning experiences that cater to each student's strengths and weaknesses. This could lead to a more inclusive and effective educational system. These possibilities are both exciting and daunting, urging us to prepare for a future where AI plays an increasingly central role. As we embrace this technology, we must also address the ethical and societal challenges it presents, ensuring that the AI revolution benefits all of humanity. Central to Gates's vision is the concept of free intelligence, a revolutionary idea that could reshape our world. This concept describes a future where AI makes high-quality healthcare and education accessible to everyone, regardless of their socioeconomic background. It envisions a world where technology bridges the gap between the privileged and the underprivileged. Imagine a world where geographical barriers and financial constraints no longer hinder access to quality healthcare and education. In this world, a child in a remote village has the same educational opportunities as one in a bustling city, and a patient in a rural area receives the same level of care as someone in a metropolitan hospital. This is the promise of free intelligence, a world where AI empowers individuals and fosters a more equitable society. By leveraging AI, we can create systems that are not only efficient but also inclusive, ensuring that no one is left behind. With AI-powered diagnostic tools and personalized treatment plans, healthcare can become more affordable and accessible to all. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data to provide accurate diagnoses and recommend the best treatment options, tailored to each individual's needs. Imagine AI-powered mobile clinics bringing essential healthcare services to remote areas, bridging the gap in healthcare access. These clinics can travel to the most isolated regions, equipped with advanced AI tools to provide high-quality care on the go. This democratization of healthcare has the potential to revolutionize global health outcomes, particularly in underserved communities. By making healthcare more accessible, we can improve the quality of life for millions of people around the world. Similarly, AI-powered education can empower individuals with personalized learning experiences tailored to their unique needs and learning styles. These tools can adapt to each student's pace, providing support where needed and challenging them to reach their full potential. Imagine AI tutors providing individualized support, identifying learning gaps, and adjusting the curriculum to meet each student's needs. These tutors can offer real-time feedback, helping students to understand complex concepts and stay engaged in their learning journey. This personalized approach can unlock a student's full potential, fostering a love for learning and creating a more educated and informed global citizenry. By making education more engaging and effective, we can inspire the next generation of thinkers, innovators, and leaders. The implications of free intelligence extend beyond healthcare and education. AI has the potential to transform various sectors, making services more accessible and efficient. AI has the potential to democratize access to various services, from financial advice to legal assistance. These AI-powered platforms can provide expert guidance, helping individuals to make informed decisions and navigate complex systems with ease. Imagine a world where AI empowers individuals with the knowledge and tools to navigate complex systems and make informed decisions. Whether it's managing finances, seeking legal advice, or planning for the future, AI can provide the support needed to make these processes more accessible and less daunting. This democratization of knowledge and services has the potential to level the playing field and create a more just and equitable society. By making these resources available to everyone, we can ensure that all individuals have the opportunity to succeed and thrive. However, realizing the full potential of free intelligence requires careful consideration of ethical implications. We must address the challenges and risks associated with AI, ensuring that these technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. We must ensure that AI-powered systems are developed and deployed responsibly, addressing concerns about bias, privacy, and access. This involves creating transparent and accountable systems and fostering a culture of ethical AI development. The goal is to harness the power of AI for the collective good, creating a future where everyone benefits from the transformative potential of free intelligence. By working together, we can build a world where technology serves humanity and where the benefits of AI are shared by all. Bill Gates's predictions extend beyond healthcare and education, touching on the transformative potential of AI in various sectors. He foresees AI ushering in a new era of automation, particularly in industries like manufacturing and agriculture, where efficiency and precision are paramount. Imagine factories humming with robots working tirelessly alongside human counterparts, increasing efficiency and productivity. These robots can handle repetitive tasks with precision, allowing human workers to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of production. Picture fields tilled by autonomous tractors, optimizing crop yields and reducing the need for manual labor. Advanced sensors and AI-driven analytics help farmers make data-driven decisions, enhancing the overall productivity of agricultural operations. This shift towards automation is not without its challenges. The integration of AI and robotics into traditional workflows can be disruptive, leading to concerns about job security and the future of work. The potential displacement of human workers is a valid concern that requires careful consideration. As machines take over more tasks, there is a pressing need to address the social and economic impacts on the workforce. However, Gates believes that AI will also create new opportunities, leading to the emergence of new industries and job roles. The rise of AI could spur innovation, resulting in the creation of jobs that we can't even imagine today. As AI takes over repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, it frees up human workers to focus on more creative, complex, and fulfilling roles. This shift could lead to a more engaged and satisfied workforce, as people find new ways to apply their skills and talents. Imagine humans collaborating with AI systems to design innovative products, develop sustainable solutions, and push the boundaries of human ingenuity. The synergy between human creativity and AI's computational power could lead to breakthroughs in various fields. The key lies in embracing lifelong learning and adapting to the evolving job market. Continuous education and training will be essential for individuals to stay relevant and competitive in an AI-driven world. Governments, Educational institutions and businesses all have a role to play in preparing the workforce for the age of AI. Collaborative efforts are needed to develop policies and programs that support workforce transition and growth. By investing in reskilling and upskilling programs, we can equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in a future where humans and AI work side by side. This proactive approach will help mitigate the risks of automation while maximizing its benefits for society. Bill Gates' perspective on AI is not one of blind optimism. He acknowledges the valid concerns surrounding this powerful technology. The potential for job displacement, the ethical implications of AI decision-making, and the risks of unchecked AI development are all issues that demand careful consideration. The development of AI is akin to splitting the atom. It has the potential to be a force for good, but it also carries inherent risks. Striking a balance between excitement and caution is crucial as we navigate the development and deployment of AI systems. Gates advocates for a thoughtful and measured approach to AI development, emphasizing the importance of ethical considerations and responsible innovation. He stresses the need for ongoing dialogue between technologists, policymakers, and the public to ensure that AI benefits humanity as a whole. The future of AI is not predetermined. It will be shaped by the choices we make today. By fostering collaboration, promoting transparency, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for all.